everyone. Today we are going to be doing the last part of this Apple Magic Keyboard tutorial and be finishing the second and third row. So first we're going to click on Create Sketch and click one of the keys. Any key's fine since they're the same level. So now we're going to first copy this down. It's okay to make it a bit bigger than it actually is. Now we can do the other symbol. And from here we can probably do some text. So we're going to go to Create, Text, and do it from each of the corners of the key. Once you're done, you can continue to the next one, and I'll be back and show you what all the keys are like for the second row. So now that we have all the number keys done, we can do these last three. So these dashes are pretty simple. You can use a 2-point rectangle. If you can center them later. Then you have to make this cross right here. And then you can use the 2-point rectangle to make this equal sign. Then we'll do Create and Text one more time for the Delete key. So now you can either click Finish Sketch and open a new one, or continue in the same sketch. I'll continue in the same one. I'm going to go to Create, Text, and do Tab. And I'll be doing that till this P key, and I'll be back when all these keys are finished. So once you're done with those keys, you should go here, go to Create and Text, and do these 3 keys. Make sure to align top and put some spaces so it looks center. Then we'll do a few more spaces. Then we'll do Enter. And if you notice you did something wrong, just correct it. And now we are done with this row. So we'll click Finish Sketch and do Press Pull, and we have to click every one of these, also called profiles. If you did it in 2 separate sketches, please make sure to click everything. that is easy to forget. And also zoom in if you're having trouble to see. I'll fix this plus key. And we are going to do it. And it is 0.25 centimeters. Now we are all done. If you realize you missed a profile or two, it's not that big a video, you can always redo it. And I'll come back when I finish these two. So now that I'm done with that, we have finally finished this whole keyboard. If you want me to see another tutorial on how to make a laptop or any device, please let me know. But until then, I hope you all like this video and subscribe to it. Have a great day.